What's up and welcome to another video. It's such a nice day to be doing car things. Had a bit of rain, so it's nice and cool. The car is so close to be able to drive. It's not even funny anymore. I basically got everything to make it drive. So stick around and let's see what we can do. And while you watch this cool intro, please hit the like button.
Oh baby, right now lose it. Just lose it. Go crazy. Oh baby. Just to party. Maybe till Monday.
So when I tested the gears in the car, when I had to make the custom shifter or when I had to shorten the shifter, I did jack up the back of the car and ran it through the gears, and when I was in 6th gear, the car started to vibrate. So I think that is the drive shaft or the prop shaft. I think I need to put that rubber back, so I'm gonna see if I can remove it without taking the engine out again. Okay, so it's kind of tight, but there it's connected to the gearbox, and then it has another link over here. I think I'm gonna loosen it up over there, and hopefully I can move it down and then just wiggle it out, I guess. Would have been easier to take the engine out, but let's go shorten this. Man, this takes me back. I went to a prop shaft place, or I actually went to 3. Two of them couldn't help me, and I did need the other piece of it, so I have to take the whole drive shaft to them. The place that is able to help me has the rudest lady working there. She kind of just ruined my whole day, so that's why I got some takeaways. So that's why I'm a fat just sitting over here, gonna have lunch and then take the prop shop to them. They also can't help me today, so maybe tomorrow they'll have it finished. Yeah, so I got myself some Burger King, Burger Rack over there, Pizza Hut over there, Nando's, and KFC back there. Jeez. I think I just went over the pavement. Yeah, so I'm on my way again to buy some more tools. I wonder if I'll ever stop buying tools. But anyway, all that happened about a week ago, and then over the weekend we went on a little fishing safari trip, which was a lot of fun. So I thought, okay, when I come back from the trip, I will just add all the fluids and then everything will be good. Much to my surprise. Nice. It wasn't that easy. I had a lot of trouble with the cooling system, bleeding it out and everything like that. It's still not 100%. So the guy I bought the ECU from is actually the tuner as well. Super nice guy. So on Friday he said, okay, he'll come through and have a look, give some advice and maybe start tuning on the car. And this is what he showed up in. But there was a few problems, like sensors not being in the right place, and the biggest problem we saw is that the fuel pressure stays consistent, because I only have a feed line on the car and a return line, because the old engine only used the one line, the feed line. So I'll have to change that before we can go any further. So that's unfortunate, but I am able to drive the car up until about 3000 RPM. So let's take it for a spin. I think I got a lot more air out of the cooling system, and I set the RPM limit to 3000. I'm kind of safe up until there. I have my good old friend over there, and let's see what it does. See what it does. And success, we made it back. So I drove around for about 20 minutes to just mainly test out the cooling system, which is doing a lot better since I did the whole hosepipe thing. The alternator seems to be charging, which is good, but yeah, so the next thing will be to sort out the fueling system so that we can regulate the pressure. That seems to be the problem. I'm gonna do it, or try to do it the best I can, so that if or when I go turbo, the fueling system will be ready for that, because at the end of the day, that has been the plan from the beginning. Next time I'll be doing that, so please remember to like and subscribe.